Home Sweet Home gets even sweeter when you can add value with DIYs under $100. Imagine transforming your space into a haven of comfort, style, and functionality without breaking the bank. It's all about embracing the concept of do-it-yourself home improvements. These DIY projects not only offer you significant cost savings, but also a sense of personal satisfaction that comes from creating something beautiful with your own two hands. Plus, they can increase your home's value, making them a solid investment for your future. The best part? All the tips and ideas we're about to share are not only effective but also affordable. Each project that we'll dive into costs less than $100, so get ready to roll up your sleeves and inject some charm into your home without emptying your wallet. Welcome to Serene Shelter, your guide to affordable and effective home improvements. Give your home a fresh look by painting your front door. The front door is like a handshake. It's one of the first things visitors see and touch when they come to your home, so it's crucial to make a good impression. The right paint color can make all the difference, adding charm and character to your overall facade. When choosing paint, opt for one designed specifically for exterior doors. Exterior paint is more durable and can withstand the elements. As for the color, consider the style of your home and your personal taste. Is your style traditional, modern, eclectic? Your front door can be a reflection of that. Now let's move on to the process. First, remove the door and lay it flat on a pair of sawhorses. Sand it down lightly to remove any old paint or varnish. Then wipe it clean with a damp cloth and let it dry. Next, apply a coat of primer. This will help the paint adhere better and last longer. Once the primer is dry, you're ready to paint. Apply 2 to 3 coats, letting each one dry thoroughly before applying the next. On a budget? Don't worry. This project is incredibly cost-effective. A quart of paint, a small container of primer, and a few basic tools are all you need. So, you see, a simple coat of paint can make your front door pop and increase your home's curb appeal. Save on your energy bills with a programmable thermostat. This handy device is a game changer for your home, offering substantial benefits such as improved energy efficiency and significant cost savings. Imagine being able to set your home's temperature for different times of the day and different days of the week without having to lift a finger once it's all set up. That's the convenience a programmable thermostat brings to your life. Installing one isn't as daunting as it seems. Here's a quick rundown. First, you'll need to remove your old thermostat, but remember to turn off the power first to avoid any electrical mishaps. Next, you'll connect the wires to your new programmable thermostat. Don't worry, each wire is color-coded to match the terminal. Finally, you'll secure your new thermostat to the wall. Once installed, you get to program it. Set the temperatures according to your daily schedule. Lower the heat when you're away, and have it warm up just before you come home. It's all about optimizing energy usage to suit your lifestyle. With a programmable thermostat, you can enjoy a comfortable home and lower energy bills. Transform your kitchen or bathroom by updating the cabinet hardware. This is a fantastic way to breathe new life into these spaces. You see, the beauty of this project lies in its simplicity and impact. A change of knobs or handles can dramatically alter the look and feel of your cabinets. Choosing the right hardware is the first step. Consider the style and color that will best complement your cabinets. Whether you lean towards modern chrome handles or vintage brass knobs, the options are endless. Next, it's time to bid farewell to your old hardware. Armed with just a screwdriver, you can easily remove the existing knobs or handles. Remember, it's all about patience and precision. Now the stage is set for the new entrance. Align your new hardware with the existing holes and carefully screw them in place. Voila! You've just given your cabinets a mini makeover. The best part? This project is incredibly cost-effective. For under $100, you can revamp your entire cabinet system. Updating your cabinet hardware is a simple and affordable way to refresh your kitchen or bathroom. These are just a few examples of how you can improve your home without breaking the bank. We've journeyed together through a collection of do-it-yourself projects that not only enhance the appeal of your dwelling, but also make it more comfortable and efficient. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane. We started off by adding a splash of color to the front door. A simple task, yet it has a profound impact on your home's curb appeal. And remember, first impressions matter. Then, we moved on to upgrade our home's heating and cooling system by installing a programmable thermostat. This not only helps in maintaining a comfortable temperature, but also in saving energy costs. In the long run, this minor investment will pay for itself. Finally, we dove into the heart of our home, the kitchen. We gave it a quick and easy makeover by updating the cabinet hardware. It's amazing how such a small change can dramatically alter the look and feel of a space, isn't it? But remember, these are just stepping stones. The world of DIY home improvement is vast and full of possibilities. With a bit of creativity, time, and less than $100, you can transform any corner of your home into a cozy, stylish, and functional space. So don't hesitate. Roll up your sleeves and let your home reflect who you are. And if you need more ideas or guidance, we've got you covered. What do you think of these DIYs? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more home improvement tips. Until next time, happy DIYing!